What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm about to share with you how to edit a photo using Photoshop CS4. So here we have this picture right here, and this is what I'm going to share with you. So there we go. We have this gorgeous young beautiful lady right here. Let's minimize my camera. So here we have this beautiful lady, and what we're going to do right here, we are going to put a circular one here so we can edit the full background. So what I'm about to do right now is simply double click this one and do it as layer. So what can we do? What we can do, we are going to select this circle right here, and we can circle it like this, okay, just like that. So now we can balance it and put it in the right direction right there. So the next move that we can do is simply do that. So we can simply remove the background. As you can see, we totally remove the background. So what we can do next is simply trying to duplicate this this picture right here. So let me simply double click it, and we are going to duplicate it just like that. So this is how you can change or do a certain trick on on this Photoshop. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. And before we go, one thing I haven't yet done, okay? So let me simply remove this thing. You have seen that trick, and I'm going to share with you another trick again, because I want you guys to learn something here. I'm going to put another beautiful lady right here that we can change the background. So here, let me drop it right here. We have this gorgeous beautiful lady right here, which we are going to edit. So we are going to make sure that we edit the background. So let me simply double click that, and we have to go direct into this tool called quick selection tool. So now we can simply select some part that we want to change from this picture. So let's just simply do that. Now we are done. The next move is that we can simply, okay, let me simply remove the other part we haven't yet select. We are using a quick tool, okay, so do not forget that. So let me come here and select that, and then again select that. So there we are done. So the next thing is right click on the picture and go to this thing called fader, and then put it to 2.5 or put it to 3.0. So just like that. So the next move, we can simply click OK. So this is what will happen. Now we already select the background. The next thing that remains now is to change or to remove the background, and we are going to make it blank. So let's simply click this thing. There are three ways to do that. Here we have this place right here. You can see circle down here on your right screen. Down here you can simply click that. Let me simply click, and we're going to see the solution. Now you can see we eliminate only the lid, and we don't want to do that. All we gotta do is we have to press Ctrl+X on our keyboard. So now you can see that we removed the background. What do you think we are going to do next? What we are going to do next, we are going to create another photo that we are going to drop this gorgeous lady on that window right there. So let me simply press Ctrl and N on my keyboard, and then goes direct to this place right here. And what we're going to do, we are going to change it to pixel already. We have a pixel right there. We are going to change the preset to photo. You have photo right here, and then the next move is change it to pixel, and then right there we can change the width and the height. Okay, so we are going to put 1920 by 1080. All right, so this is what I want to put there. And again, the one last thing that we're going to do is resolution. So if the resolution is 300, I'm telling you, it will delay and it will be heavy to load up. So we do not want to face that challenge. What we're going to do, we want to make it 100 there as the resolution, so that we can even save it with 300 or whatever when we want the quality photo in the end. So what we can do next is simply press OK. Now we have created that. So we are going to bring in this gorgeous layer right here by simply drag it and put it right there. So let me simply take it. We can simply drag it and drop it on this place right here. So I'm going to drop it right there. So here we go. So now you see that it already cut this picture, and what we're going to do, we can duplicate it. Let me simply duplicate it by simply pressing Ctrl and then left click on your mouse. So let's do this. Let's drag right there. You can see that, and I'm going to make sure that I scale it down just like that. So let me bring it up again. So right here we can make it look great. There we have it. So let me try to put it here. You see, we can still edit it if we have any problem within the system. So what I'm going to do right here is simply press this small part and Ctrl+X to remove it. So the same thing, we can select this picture right here, and we can remove some of the part that we think they are not cool. So we can simply press W on our keyboard and we can press this thing and Control and X to remove it. So we can put our picture back just like this. Okay, so this is what we have. The next thing that I want to share with you right now is to put a background. And how can you put the background? There are many ways that we can put the background. And what we're going to do is simply have to change the background color by simply creating a new layer. And how can we change the new layer? We have a new layer down here at the bottom here, right here, by simply following this. You can see this pointer, right? So simply take it there at the bottom right corner of your window. So by simply pressing this layer right here, we are going to create a blank layer and we put it on here. The next move after we finish bringing this layer down there, we can simply go direct into this color and we are going to select a solid color by simply clicking that, and now you can see how it look. So we can click anywhere on this place when we want to change it. All right, just like that. Like now I can say that this is gorgeous, this is beautiful, I like it, so I can simply press OK right now. So what we're going to do next is simply, I think we need to make sure that we increase the size of this lady. So we have this, so there we go. Now we can even duplicate this picture right here. Let me simply duplicate this one, so I can put it there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reduce the opacity by simply coming down here and reduce this side like that. So now I think you can see that. Okay, let me move this out of the way. You can see that I can even put it right here, like putting it right there. Okay, so you are seeing that. You can also do the same thing as well on where you are by simply doing. You can increase it when you want to, or you reduce it like that. Okay, so now the next move is how can we put the saturation on our picture. Saturation is when we want to open up the picture in order for a picture to look good, to look quality. So we can simply go direct into the same color down here by simply clicking this and go direct into saturation. We have hue and saturation right there, so we can simply click that and we can simply do this by simply dragging this a little bit like that. I think you guys are seeing that, right? So now it look cool and I really like that. So guys, thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please try to hit the subscribe button and do not forget to share it if you find this video is useful. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.